Hey gang, Jerry here, and today's we're gonna have another video, but it's gonna be a little bit different style video than you're used to seeing on my channel if you're following my channel. Today is going to be a video. My channel finally hit over 1 million views, and I think that's just an awesome milestone. I never thought uh, my channel would ever grow to something like that. And I wanted to share a little bit of background about what my channel is all about, um, how many views I'm actually at today, and how much money that has actually generated from my channel. So now, start off a little bit of history about me. I'm a do-it-yourselfer, obviously, Jerry Jackson DIY. And I really did start my channel as I just wanted to share content to the YouTube community. I really never thought it would go anywhere. I just, I do do-it-yourself videos as far as like maintenance, fixing things, building things, stuff like that. Just, if I'm going to be doing something, a project that really interests me, I try to shoot a video of it, and that's what I do. And I just wanted to share that out to the community, but I never thought my channel would grow like it is. I'm not a huge channel, but I am actually generating money, and I want to share all my stats with you today. Now, further background is I started my channel back in like 2009. I posted a video back then, and a video that I was kind of really a project I was really proud about, and put it out there. And I really forgot about my channel for years, actually. Went back to my channel several years later, and lo and behold, I got like a couple hundred subscribers and a bunch of views. And I'm like, wow, that's really kind of interesting. And so I started, producing more do-it-yourself videos and putting it out there, and it just started, growing slowly, but growing. Um, Currently today, I'm gonna share exactly how many views that I have and how much money that has generated. But before I do, a couple of things. I really don't know how YouTube algorithms work. I really didn't get monetized right away. So my channel started growing slowly as far as subscribership goes, and amount of views. And currently you need a minimum of 2,000 subscribers to become monetized. And I forget what the number of watch hours are, but if you have the subscribers, you're probably hitting the watch hours, is from what I've seen. So currently I have just under 7,000 subscribers. So I was getting views before I got monetized. So just, bear in mind that. And then of course, my channel is a do-it-yourself channel. So a lot of the algorithms as how you generate money is based on like how much time they view your videos and click-through rates and things like that. Again, unknown on how all the algorithms work, but some people, will start a channel and they'll have a viral video right away, and they'll pretty much get monetized overnight. That wasn't the case with me. It took actually quite a few years before I got the number of subscribers to become monetized. So with that said, let me share some information with you. So currently, as we speak today, I've been wanting to get this video out there for a while, but you can see I currently have 1,355,740 views. So I just think that's awesome. I never thought I'd ever get to that point, and every day I get views, obviously every day, and it just keeps growing, and it just blows my mind. Now, how much did this 1 million views earn me? So YouTube actually always does an estimate because I'm getting views as we speak. But for that amount of views, since my channel started, I have an estimated revenue of $10,211.45. So pretty amazing. Again, other channels, different types of content might earn more. Other, different content might earn less. I'm not exactly sure how all the algorithms, work, but for my channel, I just wanted to share that out there with you exactly what you can do with YouTube. Again, I have a full-time job. I don't plan on leaving my job anytime soon. I don't plan on doing videos every single week or day or month or something like that. I just come across, if there's a project I'm going to be working on and I think it's interesting, I'll put it out there. So that's how I approach my channel. But pretty cool that, I do get, some money back from that, and it's pretty exciting. So I hope that was interesting for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Again, this is a do-it-yourself channel, so if do-it-yourself projects are your thing, so please subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. It really helps me out. And make sure you click that bell so you never miss a new upload. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this one, gang. And remember, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, Danny, take care and see ya.